Step out, you're gonna get...
Des Moines, Washington, April 14th, 2024. Most traffic stops follow a predictable script: license, registration, a ticket, or a warning, and everyone goes home. But every once in a while, an officer encounters a driver operating from a completely different script, one written in the dark corners of the internet, filled with imaginary laws and fake titles. In this episode, we are looking at a driver who turns a routine speeding stop into a chaotic standoff. She claims to be a federal postal judge, accuses the officers of necromancy, and insists that state laws do not apply to her because she is a living woman and not a corporation. Watch closely how a simple lack of accountability snowballs into broken glass, pepper spray, and a harsh lesson in reality. If you want to understand the difference between internet law and actual law, and if you enjoy seeing accountability in action, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. We break down the psychology so you don't make the same mistakes. Let's get into the analysis.
Hi there. My name's Officer Hake. Just to let you know the traffic stop's being recorded. The reason why I'm stopping you is for speed. 48 and a 35. Not only that, I really strongly believe you're just not paying attention because...
I'm sorry, my father's in the VA right now, and I just...
Well, we went about 8 blocks with my lights on and you never even pulled over.
I'm sorry, I'm listening to this. I'm so sorry. Why didn't you make a sound? I'm not...
Because you weren't stopping, that's the reason why.
Oh, well, I didn't hear.
We went 8 blocks.
I didn't see any lights. I didn't see...
It just means you're not paying attention. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance for me, please?
I'm getting my lawyer. 1 second.
I don't need to speak with your lawyer. Can I see your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please?
What crime have I committed?
Speeding. Can I get your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please? Ma'am, I can't hear you with this window halfway rolled up.
Of speeding actually become a crime.
It's an infraction. It becomes a crime when you don't provide your license, registration, and proof of insurance, ma'am. How many more times am I going to have to ask for this?
The crime is...
May I see your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please? Ma'am, are you going to provide your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please? Or does this have to escalate to an arrest?
If that's what you would be choosing.
No, I'm asking you to provide by law. Stop interrupting, ma'am. I'm trying to explain it to you. By law, on a traffic stop, you are required to provide your license, your registration, and your proof of insurance. I've explained the reason for the stop. I've requested the required documentation, and you're refusing to provide that, ma'am. Is there a reason?
I don't contract with this.
You don't contract with the state of Washington? Do you have a driver's license?
I'm with the Planetary Federal Postal Judge. I'm a service processor and a...
You're a what?
Service processor and...
Service processor?
Yes,
What's that got to do with providing your license, registration, and proof of insurance, ma'am?
Prosecution and judicial notice, sir. And I'm sure your sergeant can come in and...
Oh, he's already en route, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah. What's your badge number, sir?
You'll get that momentarily.
Okay, what's your name and your badge? Okay.
Is there a reason you're not providing your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Just because I'm trying to get my lawyer on...
Okay, I don't have to wait for your lawyer. Okay, I'm not even going to speak with your lawyer, nor am I required to.
That's it.
However, you are required to provide your license, registration, and proof of insurance. And I've requested it multiple times.
Can you give me a minute, sir?
For what?
So I can get my...
It's got nothing to do with this traffic stop, ma'am. Grab your sticks.
I'm being stopped right now.
Put them on the front.
Officer. I'm being stopped right now with an officer.
Ma'am, are you providing me with your license, registration, and proof of insurance? Ma'am, are you going to provide me with your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Can you guys get Dean or Janine on? 1 second, sir.
No, ma'am. Step on out of the car. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Step on out of the car.
Please don't.
Step on out of the car.
Don't. That's it.
Do it now. Do it now or I'll break this window. Step on out of the car. You're under arrest. Step on out of the car. You're under arrest. Step on out of the car.
Can you listen to my
You're under arrest.
Can you please
Step on out of the car. You're under arrest.
You don't want to. You
Ma'am,
don't want to do this.
I've provided you multiple requests for your license, registration, and insurance. Okay, step on out of the car. Do it now.
She doesn't. I do not have to.
I will break this window.
I have to show that.
If you break that window,
Wow, you're kidding.
you will be charged with treason.
Step on out of the
You will be
car.
charged with treason if you break my window.
Step on out of the car.
This is so illegal. I would not do that.
You
sir.
can contest that in court, ma'am.
I
You're
will
under
not
arrest for
make it to court.
obstruction
It
at this
won't
point.
make it to court. It won't make it to court.
Oh, yes, it is.
No, it won't make it to court.
It won't make it to court. You guys, I assure you, you don't want to do this. I'm with the federal postal courts, okay? I am serving the judicial notice and global constitution to the world, and this is not correct. This is not what
You're being recorded, ma'am. Everything's
I know,
being recorded. All your statements are being recorded. Okay? You have an option to step on out of the car.
He's recorded. And if he threatens to bust your window again, that's treason.
That's
You cannot do
treason.
that.
Step on out of the car.
Is this your
Are you going to step out of the car?
supervisor?
Ma'am, are you stepping out of the car?
Which one is the supervisor, sir?
Are you going to step out of the car?
Supervisor. He's not here yet. Okay, then we'll wait for the supervisor. Do not wait. You don't want to break my window, sir.
I will here in a second if you don't get out of the car.
If your supervisor gets here, he will let you know you cannot break my window.
Oh, I doubt that.
You're being recorded and you can face treason.
Yes, you are being recorded.
Everything's being recorded.
Yes, we know.
Yeah.
We know.
We know. We know. We highly know this.
6 David 1 ETA.
Creating necromancy and trying to put me in jail.
Well, you are going to jail.
I do not.
You're under arrest at this point,
I'm a
ma'am.
free. I'm a free woman. I'm not a cop. I'm not a corporation. You can't contract with me. I am a free woman, a blood, flesh, breathing woman. I don't.
Okay, I'm not disputing that, but
You can't put
you are under arrest.
Your supervisor will tell you different, sir.
Has
We
he
will
said
wait
an
for him.
ETA?
216 in fact is coming right
And
now.
wait on the
I will wait
supervisor.
for the supervisor. Can I have your guys'
Saying he's
brown?
being recorded.
Can I have your badge number?
It'll be on the arrest report, ma'am.
What's your badge numbers?
2301.
2301. And what's yours?
It'll all be in the paperwork.
2302. What's your badge
Running
number?
back inside.
Yeah, it is. I can
Ma'am,
feel
do
it.
me a favor, turn the
Yes.
car off, please, and put the keys on the dash.
There's this
Then
keyless.
just shut the car off, please. Put it in park.
It is in park.
Thank you.
A few moments later, a sergeant arrives to the scene.
All right, she's refusing. She's under arrest for obstruction at this point. She refused to provide identification, registration, proof of insurance.
Woman.
Okay.
I'm not a corporation.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you this right now. You're going to get out of the car. We're going to pull you out of the car by force.
He just said he's gonna pull me out of the car. A living woman, and this is treason, sir.
Nope. It's a traffic stop under Revised Code of Washington, Title 46. Are you going to step out of the vehicle, or are you going to be taken out by force?
I haven't done anything.
You are
There's no
under
crime.
arrest for failure to provide ID. Are you going to step out?
Well, the speeding is.
Are you going to step out?
You can give me a warning, sir. Can you please don't? Please don't. Okay.
Step out of the car. Do it now.
Are you going to step on the car?
Step out of the car. Do it now.
Step out. You're going to.
Ease your chest.
9 David 8. One in custody, and we'll take aid.
Break my father's window. Oh my god. Oh my fucking eyes. Oh my
9 David 8. Start us a tow for impound.
Stop. Don't run.
I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance.
Stop.
My heart hurts. Oh my god.
Take a breath. You're good big?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I see your cut though.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's
Sit up for me. Stop. Yep, that's.
we're gonna douse some water.
My chest! My
Douse some water.
chest, please!
They're on the way.
Chest hurts!
It's coming.
I can't believe it!
She hasn't provided nothing. She refused.
My eyes! Oh,
Do you have a knife to poke a hole?
Oh, I got it. That's
Oh my god!
Casey, now.
Please! Please,
Oh,
please!
perfect. I was looking for
Please!
it.
Please help me!
So we're gonna get you some water. You need to sit
Oh my
tight.
god! Please!
Grab those.
Gonna give you some water.
Please! Oh my god!
Look at this far.
I can't breathe!
Look up. Look up.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
I'm sick!
Open your eyes.
My head hurts!
Open your eyes so we can get in there and rinse out your eyes, okay?
I can't breathe!
Yeah.
Stop.
Stop moving so we can rinse out your eyes.
Ouch! Ouch! Oh my god! Oh, please! Oh my god! Oh, please! Oh my god, I can't!
Sit down. Sit down.
I need more water!
Then stay still.
Stop moving so we can get you rinsing. Okay. Stop moving.
Oh, I can't breathe!
Yes, you can.
Stay seated.
Please, I can't!
Seated.
This could have all been avoided if you provided your license, registration, and insurance.
There. Stop moving around.
It hurts! It hurts!
Well, that's what it's designed for.
Will you do the search incident to arrest while we got her down here?
Please. I can't breathe. Can you please sit me up? I
Okay.
can't breathe.
Well, I've been trying to, but you keep moving.
I'm too hot.
Yep.
I'm too hot.
Stay seated.
Please, I'm too hot. Oh, oh, oh,
Stay seated.
oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Ow. 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 Please lay down. Ow.
I'm gonna start. Do we have a ID on her at all?
Ow.
No,
It hurts
she's
so
we're
bad.
about to do the
Please.
search incident.
Please, it hurts so bad. Fire. Please, can I get some
I got
more
an
water?
8-fist too if needed.
medical
I can't
comment.
breathe. I can't.
Might have to.
Oh my god, please.
Sit down.
I can't breathe. Please.
Sit down.
Down.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. Please take off my jacket.
Fire coming, okay?
Oh my god, please.
Stay still.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There.
Just think how this could have all been avoided if you provided your license, registration, and insurance.
Oh my god. I can't
Is
breathe. I can't breathe.
the RO
I
the
can't breathe.
vehicle male or
I can't breathe.
Huh?
You guys, I can't
RO
breathe.
the
Please.
vehicle?
I haven't even gotten that far.
I can't breathe.
She was being stopped for speeding, and then
You guys gotta lay me down.
Brown.
Please.
Can
Can
you
you lay
check
me down?
the RO
Can you lay me
information?
down?
Lay on your side.
No, just lay down.
Come on, lay down. Okay.
Oh,
Is that better?
What's that?
I can't breathe.
Yeah. Also
Oh
seatbelt.
my god, I can't breathe.
huh?
I need
Also a
water.
seatbelt violation.
Buckled right
I need
now.
water.
She was sitting on it.
Oh, please. Please. Oh, somebody get air. I need air. I need air. I can't breathe.
Take a breath.
Please, I don't be chased.
Can't give you air. Take a breath.
Okay,
So in and out.
I'm in the chest pain. I'm so bad. Please. Oh my god. Oh my god, please. You guys.
Now.
Please, guys. Oh my god, please, guys.
Please
Please,
what?
I need water. I need some more water, please.
Okay.
Will you stay still?
Please give me some more water.
Stay still. There you go.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. My eyes.
Okay. Stop scooting
Oh,
away.
my eyes.
Stop scooting
Please.
away.
Oh my god. I can't breathe.
Okay. Stop scooting away.
I'm sorry.
You want to lay on your side? Does that help?
I can't. No, God. I hurt so bad. Oh, please. Oh,
Grab me.
You're going to make it worse if you keep just rolling on the ground
I
like this.
can't. Help me, my feet hurt.
I'm gonna start the criminal site.
Yeah. Hurts. Please give me some air.
Breathe in.
Nice and slow.
You have to. If you stop squirming around, it will be better. I promise.
My face.
Stop trying to grab me.
My face. Oh, my
Yeah.
face.
Hey,
please.
stop squirming around.
Oh,
We don't have an ID still.
I can't. I have an ID.
Where is it?
My name's. My parents. I live in.
Okay, hold on. I don't type as fast as you're just talking.
Sorry.
And by type, I mean handwrite.
And look, we have the fire guys here, okay?
My face hurts so bad, guys.
Hi.
Please.
So,
I'm stopping water, okay? So don't move too much.
Please.
You gotta stop moving. Careful.
Mary, middle initial.
Oh my God. Ow.
Middle name? With an L?
Yes.
Birthday again?
Please.
I know.
these guys are here to help, okay?
Please.
Unfortunately,
God.
the only thing that's going to help is time.
Please.
The only thing that's going to help is time. We can help a little bit, we can wipe you down a little bit, but
Oh.
What are we doing here? Do you want to be on your side? Do you want to be?
My face hurts so bad.
I know.
In the sun. Oh, oh, shit, I can't believe this happened. It's happening. Oh, please. Oh, please help.
Stop grabbing me.
I hurt so bad. Oh, my ears, my face, my eyes, my chest.
We understand.
I can't breathe. Please. Ow. Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
That's about as good as it's going to
Ow. Ow. Oh.
Just stay
Ow.
down. Just stay down there.
I'm trying.
Need her name?
Ouch.
Sure. Yeah, I'll grab that.
Ouch.
The air on your face is going to help it, okay?
Please, can you have an ice pack to my face?
An ice pack's not going to help it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I've been pepper sprayed. It's miserable.
Down on the ground. Do not stand up.
Yes, sir.
Because we don't want you falling down, okay?
Better you pour some milk on it or something.
Water and air is what helps, okay?
Have you ever been sprayed?
Yes, I have multiple times.
Oh,
Yep.
oh, never.
Can you look up at me? It's gonna take a quick picture of this. I can get your injuries, okay? Just look right up towards me. I know it's not always easy. Just look in my direction for me. Perfect.
Oh,
Thank you. Do you have any injuries under your hands or anything like that?
Here, he's going to get...
Got one right there.
Hold on. There we go.
oh. My hair is so bad, guys.
I know.
No. Oh my God. Can I please have my brother come and grab my father's car? Because
We're going to impound the vehicle.
my father.
Nope, sit down.
No.
Please, my father just. My father just.
So we're going to impound the vehicle today due to your non-compliance with the
But then I
very standard
I can't
traffic
get my father's car out right now. Please. I can't get my father's car out right this second because we just died. And my brother, please can I have my brother come?
So no, we're not going to do any of that. The reason that is because you turned what was a very simple traffic stop into this entire thing it didn't need to do when you literally just needed to hand ID. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yeah, I think I'm sure my
So you don't have car
dad
permit.
just
So it was a
had.
very simple like speeding ticket, no vowel with ID, okay? And you turned it into an arrest for resisting, obstructing.
I was just asking
suspended third is
questions.
also going to be added on.
I was just asking questions.
So we're not going to do you a favor calling somebody else for your car.
Telling us that it's treason is not asking questions. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
To understand how this situation deteriorated so violently, we have to look at the very first action the driver took, the slow roll. The officer notes that they drove for 8 blocks with lights and sirens on before pulling over. In law enforcement, this is what is known as a pre-attack indicator. When a driver refuses to stop immediately, the officer's adrenaline spikes. They have to wonder, is the driver loading a weapon? Are they hiding drugs? Are they calling friends to set up an ambush? Or are they simply formulating a lie? By the time the car finally stops, the safety bubble of the interaction has already been popped. The officer is already on high alert, and the driver has started the interaction with a deficit of trust. When the window finally comes down, but only an inch, we see the hallmark of the sovereign citizen movement. This is a loosely organized ideology where adherents believe they can opt out of the legal system by using specific magic words. The driver's opening gambit is to claim she didn't see the lights because she was distracted by her father's health issues. While this might garner sympathy in a normal interaction, it is immediately undercut by her combative tone and the physical barrier she maintains with the window. She is physically and verbally walling herself off from the authority of the state. Then comes the contract argument. She states, I don't contract with the state of Washington. This is the foundational myth of the sovereign citizen. They believe that a driver's license constitutes a commercial contract, and if they don't sign it or agree to it, they aren't bound by traffic laws. The reality, of course, is that driving on public roads is a privilege, not a right. It is a regulated activity. By operating a motor vehicle on a state-maintained road, you are automatically subject to the state's vehicle code. You don't get to opt out of speed limits any more than you can opt out of gravity. But in her mind, she believes she has found a loophole that makes her untouchable. The situation takes a bizarre turn when she starts listing her titles. She claims to be a federal postal judge, a planetary service processor, and a prosecution and judicial register. This is what psychologists call grandiosity. Faced with a situation where she feels powerless, a traffic stop, she invents a persona of immense power to overcompensate. She isn't just a citizen, she is a planetary judge. She believes that if she can just say a title that sounds important enough, the officer will be forced to bow down and retreat. It is a child's understanding of power, like wearing a superhero cape and expecting to fly. The officer, rightfully, is unimpressed because these titles are word salad. They mean absolutely nothing in the context of the revised Code of Washington. Let's focus on the specific refusal to provide identification. In almost every U.S. state, there is a stop and identify statute specifically for drivers. In Washington, this is Title 46. If you are behind the wheel and stopped for an infraction, you must identify yourself. This is the legal pivot point. Up until she refuses ID, this is a civil infraction, a ticket. The moment she refuses to identify herself, it becomes a criminal offense. Obstruction. She is actively preventing the officer from doing his job. She effectively talks herself out of a fine and into handcuffs within 60 seconds. The driver's rhetoric escalates into the realm of the absurd when she accuses the officers of necromancy. This is a rare one, even for sovereign citizens. Necromancy is the practice of communicating with the dead. In Soviet lore, they often refer to the legal person, your name in all capital letters on a license, as a dead entity or a straw man. She is likely implying that by trying to enforce laws on her corporate fiction, the officers are practicing black magic. It sounds funny to the viewer, but it signals a dangerous break from reality. When a subject starts accusing police of witchcraft or treason during a traffic stop, the possibility of rational negotiation is zero. The officers realize this quickly. They know that no amount of explaining the law will penetrate her delusion. The breaking of the window is a shocking visual, but legally it is entirely sound. This is covered under the Supreme Court ruling Pennsylvania versus Mims, which gives officers the authority to order a driver out of the vehicle for officer safety. If the driver refuses that lawful order, the police are authorized to use reasonable force to extract them. The window breach is not an act of anger, it is a mechanical necessity. The driver believes the window is a magical shield, that as long as the glass is up, the laws outside cannot touch her inside. The shattering of the glass is the shattering of her illusion. Reality literally crashes into her lap. We must also discuss the use of OC spray, pepper spray. Some viewers might think this is excessive for an older woman. However, look at the resistance. She is gripping the wheel, refusing to exit, and actively fighting the extraction. The officers have two choices: go hands-on and wrestle her out, which risks tearing her rotator cuff, breaking her arm, or injuring the officers, or use a pain compliance tool like pepper spray to distract her and loosen her grip. They chose the option that, while painful in the short term, causes the least amount of permanent physical damage. It forces her to focus on her eyes rather than holding onto the car, allowing for a safer extraction. Now watch the immediate psychological pivot after the arrest. This is the most fascinating part of the video. The woman who moments ago was a federal postal judge and a free woman shouting about treason instantly reverts to a state of total dependency. "My father just died," she wails. "My heart hurts. Call my son. Call my brother." This is the victimhood shift. When the aggression fails, the narcissist switches to victimhood to regain control or sympathy. Notice the contradiction. Earlier, she said her father was in the VA hospital. Now suddenly he has just died and they are handling his estate. She is throwing out every emotional hook she can find to make the officers feel guilty. She wants them to feel like they are the aggressors. Despite the fact that she dictated every step of this escalation, there is a profound irony in her request for the police to call her family and release the car to her brother. She spent 10 minutes screaming that she does not contract with the state and that the police have no authority over her. Yet the moment she is in handcuffs, she wants to utilize the social contract. She wants the police to do her a favor. She wants the police to use their discretion to help her family. You cannot have it both ways. You cannot declare the police to be illegitimate tyrants 1 minute and then ask them for concierge service the next. By breaking the social contract, she forfeited the benefits of it. The officer's response to her request to call her brother is perfect. No. He explains clearly, "We're not going to do you a favor because you turned what was a very simple traffic stop into this entire thing." This is the lesson of consequences. Police officers are human. They have discretion. If you are polite, honest, and cooperative, they will often go out of their way to help you avoid a tow fee or call a ride. But when you abuse them, accuse them of black magic, and force them to fight you, that goodwill evaporates. The medical aid scene serves as a cooling off period, but notice that she never takes accountability. She blames the pain, the water, the air, the position she is sitting in. Everything is external. She cannot say the words, "I should have just shown my license." Even as the fire department washes her eyes, she is still the protagonist in her own tragedy, unable to connect the dots between her defiance and her suffering. So, what is the societal lesson here? It is about the danger of internet law degrees. We live in an age of information, but also an age of misinformation. This woman likely spent hours watching videos and reading forums that told her she had a special secret that made her immune to the law. She bought into a fantasy, but the roadside is not the place to test legal theories. The roadside is where the rubber meets the road, literally and metaphorically. The law is a system of force. We agree to follow the rules so that force isn't used against us. When you pretend the rules don't apply to you, you invite the force. This woman believed her words had power. She believed treason and necromancy were magic spells. She learned in the most painful way possible that the only magic words on a traffic stop are, "Here is my license and registration." Anything else is just noise, and the law has a very effective way of silencing the noise.